but you see that we have 10, and that another green color represented the sacred Sephirah, who is represented in that. That represented the knowledge, and you are going to see that each one has some specification. What do you need to work? Then you see here the first triangle. The point is up. The second triangle here, and the point is down. And then we have a square here. And then how do you work in the tree of life? Is the representation of the four elements, the triangle up and the triangle down. Those ways are 22, and each one of those is represented with one letter of the Hebrew alphabet. We have each one of the ways represented in numbers, and each one of those numbers represented each one of the Hebrew letters, beginning with Aleph, Bet, and all of those, and each one is represented some virtues that you need to work with that. For instance, we have service, we have transformation, we have prudencia, is prudence, action, observation, and also all of them are related with one planet and with one color. You know that this morning it arrives one satellite to Mars. It's very interesting what information they are taking with all of those investigations. First, before that we arrive from the moon, we have many satellites to give information about the weather, about the pressure and everything. And now, when they send the satellites to Mars, it's very interesting how they are going to discover. Then in this part of the study, I want to remember you that as a human beings, we usually live in the earth. But also our earth is a big human being. He developed himself. How do we develop each one? Then our planet, our earth, who represented a big human beings, each one of the human beings is one cell of the brain of the big planet, of the big human being. Then the earth develop himself. How do the human beings develop themselves? At the same time, the solar system is a big human beings. That big human beings also develop how all the organs develop themselves. But that solar planetary, solar system is only a little point in one galaxy. One galaxy has a lot of solar system, and in each one of those solar systems, in each one of them we have one Earth, and in each one of those Earth we have a human beings the same as us. Then, for instance, we are sitting here, study, looking in front. It happened the same in each one of the earth. The same people listen, one people is speaking, and everything happened the same. The parallelism in the life is represented in everything. And it's going to be very interesting in this Aquarian age how the communication is going to transform it. And as the same that we arrive to Mars, the same they are arriving in the other solar system, and those communication is going to help us to understand what is how many develop of life do we have in the universe. Then those represent